The rear suspension is a little more complicated. Let's look at the components. First, let's start with the airbags and the pedestal the airbag set on.
Look for cracks, listen for air leaks, and any objects that might be rubbing against the bag that could lead to an air leak. The air leveling valve will be attached usually to the rear differential, which keeps the truck level. Look for any looseness of the bolts or brackets they are attached to. There are many air lines attached to the rear suspension, some leading to the airbags, some are the air brake lines. Each will be inspected for cracks, abrasions, leaks, or fittings not tight. Some air ride systems have a spring that assists in carrying the load. Check it for cracks, and don't forget the bushing in the spring hanger where it attaches to the frame rail. Most air ride suspensions will have shock absorbers to soften the ride. Look for leaks and that the rubber grommets are in place.
If the rear suspension is equipped with a spring suspension, we will look for cracks in the springs, spring hangers, and bushing wear that might cause a failure of the suspension. If the springs are misaligned or if the main leaf is broken, we cannot operate the vehicle. As we talked about earlier, inspect the brakes and ABS system at the same time. When inspecting the radius rods, look at the attachments for wear and any indication of misalignment of the rear axle.